Pusaka ini pemberian guruku. Pusaka ini bisa membuat saya sakti. Kenapa dengan pusaka ini?
I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what it means to be okay. It's broken by design, can't live life without some pain, yeah. And I know I'll keep running, no, I'll be something you won't see me coming. I grow, I keep punching, I grow, I keep hunting. No, I need nothing, supposed to be something so close to me. Jumping out in the worst kind of way. You took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. And I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm unknown. But I won't go, no I won't go. You ain't never gonna slow me down, cause I feel alive now.
Kalau begini, silek saya bisa melawan semua orang. Kenapa dengan pusaka ini tiba-tiba nimbul?
Kamu terlalu sombong. Kamu tak pantas memiliki pusaka ini. Orang yang sombong akan hancur.
Kenapa saya ini? Oh iya, kata guru saya memegang pusaka ini jangan sampai sombong.
And I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm unknown.